So you guys might have guessed right that yes, I definitely look really tired, and I am. I am officially in my third trimester, and it's a bit tiring. I have less sleep. It's a bit insomnia from past couple of weeks. Other than that, my belly has been grown a lot, so there is a lot of pressure on my pelvic bone and the hip joint, so I have a lot of trouble in walking, and my mobility has decreased as compared to what I was earlier. And in past couple of days I have noticed that baby's weight has been grown double the time. That's what I read. And finally baby is responding to the light and to the music a lot. So whenever we are in the car, baby is really active. We are not sure that baby is liking the car or not liking the travel in the car, but that's the recent update. And I recently purchased few items from Sephora, so I was like, let me give you a small haul. So first thing I bought is this beautiful blush and glow palette, which is from Bloom by Natasha Denona, and this is how it looks. It's such a beautiful color. The bottom two are creamy ones, and these are the glow one. With the highlighter it gives really good finish. The other thing which I purchased is this highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury, which is again like sculpting and highlighter. Beautiful shade and it looks amazing. I'm gonna try this all on my face right now. I needed a loose powder, so Laura Mercier. And this is the lip liner by Mario, which is amazing. It has brush at one end and the lip pencil at the other end, which came along with the sharpener. And this is the other blush which I ordered, was Merit. It's amazing blush with the glow if you want your cheek to be like a plumpy and nice little glow on your cheeks. So this is my way of applying makeup. I already did my skincare, but everyone has their own methods with makeup, and you can always try out new ways. Whatever works for you is the best. So I have applied the concealer, which is Superstay Maybelline New York. And I was talking about the pregnancy. So for first 6 months, I did not have any major symptoms, which that's the one reason I am noticing a lot of different symptoms right now, and I feel like there are major difference happening. But again, it's a beautiful journey, so I'm embracing as I move along. And now my visits with doctor have moved from monthly basis to bi-weekly. So this is my foundation which I use. I love Chanel foundation, which is really amazing. I used to use Dior, and I have tried Tom Ford. Both these shades are not matching with my skin tone right now, so it looks a little bit darker. But recently I have even got a little pigmentation, which I already mentioned in my earlier videos, and I don't know what to do, but I'm leaving it alone for now. So I take 2 pumps. I do not like a heavy makeup on my face, so 2 pumps. And yeah, that's all with my pregnancy and my doctor's visit. The next thing which I will be coming across is I have to go for blood work and the glucose test, which is really important, and everyone usually gets scared for the glucose test because it's something where you can get diagnosed by gestational diabetes, which is not something which you are gonna carry forward after you deliver, but it's something which is considered into high risk pregnancy. So fingers crossed, let's see. And my blood work, which will include my hemoglobin and regular random check of other things which my doctor have given the prescription, and I even have to take the vaccines. So I will be taking the test and the vaccines, everything, after Thanksgiving. And during Thanksgiving we are just going for small staycation because I will be having holiday. Krishna is gonna have a holiday, so it's better to go out and celebrate rather than sit at home, because most of our friends are traveling to India, so no one will be here. And actually it's because like I'm in my 7th month, so I do not wanted to risk my pregnancy travel. Like I do not wanted to travel across the country or outside the country. Otherwise we usually travel every 3 months. Most of them know about it. So I'm using this blush, and I'm definitely gonna try the creamy one. Let's see how does it turn out. It's amazing. Yeah, and with my workflow right now, my workflow has decreased as compared to what it was in October. I'm getting pretty much little bit good me time in between where I can. Ooh, this color is really good. I tried the dark pink one. It really pops out. My workload, it has been a little bit up and down. There are waves, like some days are really slow and some days are really good and really hectic, but I'm doing well. So I'm using the highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury just to pop out on my cheeks. So for eyes, I'm using my Tom Ford eyeshadow, which is really nice. The bottom is cream one, and you can see it, I have used a lot and I just love it. And the top part it's a little bit broken, but if you can see, it has a little bit of shimmer. is the finish of my eye. I'm not gonna apply shimmer because I want to keep it minimal. So let's move into so it's amazing brown nude color, which I like it. It's like smoky pink color. So yeah, that's it. I'm all ready. I'll apply the setting spray later on. I just want to leave it as it is for now. Definitely gonna do a nursery tour, but I'm still waiting for the last moment because there are a lot of stuff which are still getting delivered, so I want to wait until everything has been delivered and then I can show you nursery. And of course the baby registry haul is still pending. I am working on that. Definitely post the video on baby registry haul, but I'm taking a little bit slow because every day are not same, and I'm trying to work slow, and it becomes a little bit overwhelming with work and balancing the personal life over here, but I'm doing amazing. I even had a mental breakdown, and that's because of the hormones. I was crying, like I was really sobbing, and I was watching like this series on Netflix, and I don't know why, but I was just sobbing so much, and Krishna was worried, is anything wrong with you? But I was like, no, it's just like my hormones. So this is my final look, how it has turned out. I'm liking it. It's subtle. I'm not professional, but there is a love for makeup always. So yeah. And here is the latest update on my bum. I have definitely grown up really big. And this is the cute outfit I purchased from Amazon. It's amazing, and this is a beautiful color. I loved it. It's knitwear with shorts, so I feel comfortable if I'm wearing throughout the day. Okay, all ready and set. We are going to Ikea. We needed to buy some home products, so let's go. Okay, this is the best thing I'm using right now during pregnancy is the belt. The cross belt might be a little bit difficult when you have a tummy, but this really helps me out. So this is the belt. First I hook on the side, and then the lower part I have to just take it around and hook it below. That's it. It's up. Okay, that was all good. Let's go. Yeah, but this is really nice. I like it. Difference between when you use light color and this is the dark color. The brightness is more in the light color. And we are hungry, so I bought veggie hot dog, Krishna bought cheese pizza and the sparkling water.